And Elgato has just launched a brand new Stream Deck, the Stream Deck Plus. And of course, just like we've done with all the other Stream Decks, we have to play Doom on Nightmare mode using a Stream Deck as a controller. Let's dive into it. All right, so as you can see, I've kind of configured it. So I have forward and backward on these buttons. I have left and right, strafe left and right on this dial. I have look left and right on this dial. I have open or enter, tapping the screen right here, opens doors, and this is shoot. I mean, aside from that, there's not really much else we need in Doom. All right, let's see. Strafe right, strafe left, look left, forward, backward, shoot. Ah, well, that's not what we need yet. All right, open up. This is surprisingly not that bad on this old game. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, never mind. That is way worse than I thought. Shit, I think he spawned behind me. Yeah, spawned right behind me. Okay, that was a fail. Let's try that again. Okay, so far we're doing a little bit better. Not a lot, but a little bit. Around the corner, we're gonna be good now, right? Yeah, we'll be fine. Okay, tap the touchscreen to open the door. Ooh, that's good. Whoa, only 27% health. This is not gonna go well. Okay, that's not bad. If I strafe around the corners carefully like that. Ooh. Oh! So close! So close. Okay. Definitely, maybe have it this time. Definitely, maybe have it this time. Woo! Yeah! Barely a tickle right there. Tap the touchscreen to open the door. And fire right away. Alright, now we got one guy around the corner here. So, line up. Shoot, there's a guy there. Okay. Remember that we have a guy to the right. Ooh. Ah! And then we have one more guy here. Boom! All right, I am doing way better this time. Ah! Oh no! No, 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 no! Okay, we're good. Everything worked out as it should. Strafe. So far, so good. We're actually doing well. Oh, there's one dude over there still. Let's take him out. Okay, forward. Straight. One down. Woo! Dang, still 90% health. Okay, 86% health. Open, shoot. Okay, we gotta turn. Okay, I think we're pretty much clear. That's it. We're good. All right, grab this health. Should be one more in here, I think. Let's find out. Tap. Oh, and that's it right there. Ba, 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 ba. I could have just dubbed the sound effect in afterwards, but haha! There we go. Kills 100. Oh, but that's it. That is the Stream Deck Plus being used as a controller. We have dials, we have a high-resolution touchscreen, and we have the keys that you're used to. 8 keys, touchscreen, 4 dials. This thing is awesome. This is the Stream Deck to get. Check it out at elgato.com.